I've heard some say they can't make money with their video or audio expertise. Well, I'm calling BS. So grab a cup of joe, sit back, get ready for a torrential onslaught of hundreds of ways to make money right now. Ready? Go! You got interviews with company employees videos, behind the scenes life at work videos, yearly company party videos, yearly employee picnic videos, ads promoting their products videos, creating in-house training videos, creating in-house safety videos, creating public-facing how-to videos that tie into the company's products videos, an online training site for employees and clients videos, tours of the company and office for hiring and promotions videos, company retreat videos, funny company employee videos, technical videos from the technical staff discussing products videos, how they operate the machines and equipment videos, new employee onboarding videos, company awards videos, company and customer testimonial videos, and on and on and on. The week before video, the before wedding party videos, the night before the videos, the day of videos, the wedding video, the surprise from the bride and groom video from friends and family videos, the after party videos, and on and on and on. Wedding anniversary videos, birthday videos, I just turned 30, 40, 50, 60 videos, and many more. It's gonna be a long one. People who want to self-sell their home video, realtor showcase home videos, realtor showcase property videos, open house videos, client testimonial videos, realtor interview promo videos, look at our brand new home videos, see our house restoration videos, all the businesses who can use the work being done videos for promo, such as household installation and repair, roofers, landscapers, painters, and 1,000 other disciplines. Tour of university videos, tour of a paid attendance school videos, tour of corporate campus videos, tour of gyms videos, tour of yoga studio videos, tour of karate studios, tour of car dealership videos, tour of anything videos, and on and on and on. Car and motorcycle restoration videos, car and motorcycle transformation videos, furniture restoration videos, any type of restoration or transformation videos. A living record for insurance proof videos, a record for the family videos, valuable or historical items videos, documented record videos, collector for sale videos. Oh, here's a good one. School safety videos, retirement home safety videos, business safety videos, local fire department and police safety videos, your city safety videos, traffic DMV safety videos, factory safety videos, and hundreds of other safety videos. Here's a huge one. Well-shot recital videos, graduation videos, awards videos, anything sports such as basketball, football, swimming, basketball, chess, anything. Birthday party videos, birth videos, camp videos, bar mitzvah videos, parent-made, a big purchase for kid videos, learning how to drive videos, yearbook videos, and on and on and on. High school reunion videos, family reunion videos, any reunion or get-together videos. Special Valentine's message videos, getting engaged videos, we're pregnant videos, Christmas videos, letters from home videos, any heartfelt message video. What they are about videos, get out their message videos, fundraising videos, tribute videos, life celebration videos, life history videos. You got civic group history videos, town council history videos, veterans history videos, building and town restoration videos, business history videos, and much more. Homeowner association meeting videos, board meeting videos, city meeting videos, school PTA meeting videos, any meeting with a video that could or would be shared. Another huge one. Music videos, individual interviews about the music band group videos, group interviews about the music band group videos, creation of a new song, release, or album videos, BTS shots of recording or touring videos, talk about their upcoming tour videos, bands just getting started videos, documentary about a music band group which you sell to others video, anything a band, artist, group would like to promote, videos. Deposition videos, testimony videos, any legal type of interview videos. Pump it up and generate excitement videos before an event. Interviews of past donors and why they did it videos. Purpose of the cause videos. Online auction videos. Kickstarter videos. Any get-funded video. Restaurant videos, coffee shop videos, bike shop videos. Any business trying to get known videos. Worthy causes supported videos, employees donating their time videos, employees donating money videos, employees donating good videos, any video that makes the business, person, or group well thought of videos. Homemade goods videos, cars for sale videos, estate sale videos, valuable comic book videos, old things that are valuable for sale videos, major garage sale videos, anything of value to be sold videos. Just out of your school looking for a job videos, looking for a change of career videos, technical or executive qualifications videos, LinkedIn resume videos, any interview video which promotes the person and their qualifications videos. Freelance reporting videos, incident reporting videos, human interest story videos, local news reporting videos, anything the news media will pay you for videos. Business live event videos, personal live event videos, government live event videos, band music artist live event videos, anything that is a live event videos, anything people want to see but can't attend videos. Book promotion videos, ebook promotion videos, audiobook promotion videos, book signing promotional videos, anything an author might want to promote their book videos. Resort videos, hotel videos, theme park videos, city destination videos, anything that would promote a destination videos. Old film restored into videos, VHS, beta tapes restored into videos, old treasure photos restored into videos, anything needing to be restored and updated for the 21st century videos or film. Follow around and fake celebrity videos. Those are used by people to gain creds on social media. Follow around real celebrity videos. That's used so they have a real record of what happens videos. Anything that promotes a person as a new or upcoming celebrity videos. Shoot a YouTube video for other creators' videos. Shoot a YouTube video review of other creators' channels' videos. Any video that a YouTube creator doesn't have the time or expertise to do videos. Transcribing someone's videos into another language. If you have a large social media following, promote the creator's channel on these. Any service that a YouTube creator might pay you for. Stand-up comedians and many others, presentations and smaller scale TEDx type videos, in front of crowd teachable videos that the person can repurpose videos, any type of video where a person's up in front of a crowd and wants to reuse it video. Anything that instructs someone and collects YouTube ad revenue videos, get free product samples and review those videos, embed affiliate links to generate more income on those videos, repost links to social media over and over and over and get more income. Work out an affiliate deal, promote widely and collect commissions. Get hired to consult a person on how to create great videos for their courses. Create or use a teaching site and sell an online video course. Do more and more and more online video courses and sell them. Get others to create online video courses for you, sell them, and split the difference. Business schools and courses, government agency schools and courses, nonprofit schools and courses, university schools and courses. Anyone who needs or wants a school that provides some sort of online training or instruction videos. How-to instructional videos that you charge a fee for. Offer one-on-one consultation time on your own website. Sell templates, plugins, LUTs, 3D printing, DIY model plans, coloring book templates, anything that may be of value, and create videos on how to use them. Do any of these videos for someone else's website or blog. Offer other high-end websites your content. Sponsored videos through various marketing firms videos, sponsored videos direct with company videos, videos that use link merchants videos, videos that use your own link videos like Amazon and eBay, Anything where a company or a service wants to pay you to promote them videos. Post short video clips to stock video sites and collect commissions. Post photos to stock video photo sites and collect commissions. Post sound effects to stock audio sites and collect commissions. Post Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, or any type of software templates to stock template sites and collect commissions. Repurpose everything you do everywhere and collect commissions. Shoot videos about them and what they sell and the results. Shoot their customer testimonials. Shoot anything they want to repurpose to social media or their websites. Write quick, self-published how-to books on Amazon. Turn those books into Amazon ebooks. Narrate your own books for Amazon and Audible. Offer to narrate other people's books and ebooks. Narrate other people's course material for them. Creating sellable podcasts. Edit and sweeten up someone else's audio material. Record any visual presentation with an audio voiceover. Do any auto recording that someone doesn't have the skill or knowledge or time to do. Wow, there are tons more, but my mouth is tired and I think I made my point. Every one of these things is something people already do and make money doing it. You could pick 1 or 10 off this list and you could do right now and start making money. You could pick any number of things off this list, learn it, do it, and start making money. People will pay you to do these things because they don't know how to do them, don't want to, or don't have the time to do them. If that weren't true, there wouldn't be landscapers, house painters, cleaning people, window cleaners, doctors, dentists, virtual assistants, babysitters, and it goes on to infinity. The only mistake you'll make is not doing it, not charging for your valuable time and expertise, and not laughing and walking away when someone wants you to do it for free. Still think you can't make money with your video or audio expertise? Bam! I'm calling BS. Quit complaining about money, get off your duff, find people willing to pay you and start. Drops mic, walks off stage.